Innovation in motion, one visionary project at a time. As we strive for excellence and envision NEMSU as a research university, transforming our university's physical landscape is one testament to our unwavering commitment to progress. Through strategic initiatives and remarkable strides, we revitalize our infrastructure and adhere to the university's core, upholding a conducive university for all. For internally funded projects. In TANDAG campus, heading the list is the construction of 3-story dormitory building. The contract started on March 11, 2020 with 2 ACES Construction and Supply as the project contractor. During the revised completion date on February 22, 2022, amounting to 17,991,493.56 pesos, the project reflected a 90.92% accomplishment rate from the original completion date on February 3, 2021. Yet due to the project's abandonment, a notice of contract termination with attached notarized verified report was transmitted to the contractor last January 7, 2025. The contractor was ordered to submit within 7 calendar days upon receipt of notice a notarized position paper stating why the contract should not be terminated. However, the contractor fails to submit a verified position paper within the prescribed period. Hence, the NEMSU Administration will issue the order to terminate the contract pursuant to Section 4.3 Annex 1 of the 2016 Revised IRR of Republic Act 9184. Next is the construction of 3-story academic building. The contract started on March 11, 2020 with the same project contractor. Initially set for completion on January 29, 2021, the completion date was revised to February 12, 2022. With a contract amounting 38,961,557.5 pesos, the project has reached a 90.16% completion rate. However, due to the abandonment issue, a notice of contract termination was issued to 2 ACES Construction and Supply on January 7, 2025, accompanied by a notarized verified report. The contractor was required to submit a notarized position paper within 7 calendar days but failed to comply. Consequently, NEMSU Administration will issue an order to terminate the contract following Section 4.3 Annex 1 of the 2016 Revised IRR of Republic Act 9184. Third on the list is the completion of the University Library Building in NEMSU TANDAG Campus Phase 1. The construction of the University Library Building commenced on February 15, 2023 with an initial completion date of September 28, 2023, later revised to December 19, 2023. The project awarded to a Grand Stellar Builders has a total contract value of 14,206,022.7 pesos and is currently 97.89% complete. The Project Management Unit conducted the punch list and inspection of the project. It issued the punch list defect list the contractor for reference in their rectification works as required before the project turnover and acceptance. The contractor implemented the punch list rectification of the project and subject to final inspection and closing out of punch list to include testing and commissioning of all utilities. The remaining and outstanding punch list that is being monitored and will be subjected to rectification by the contractor is the water leakage at the roofing area during the occurrence of heavy rain. The Project Management Unit issued a follow-up letter to Grand Stellar Builders last February 5, 2025 and February 25, 2025 respectively regarding the completion and rectification of the issued punch list, their submission of the required turnover or acceptance documents, and the delivery of lighting fixtures for the ground floor as part of their contract. following is the construction of two-story smart building Phase 1 having 6 classroom buildings intended as a temporary classroom for the College of Medicine. The project involves the construction of a two-story smart building equipped with modern technology to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and digital connectivity. The facility will feature automated lighting, security, ventilation, energy management, smart classrooms, offices, and collaborative spaces. This initiative aims to provide an innovative learning and working environment, support digital transformation, and promote sustainable infrastructure development. The construction began on January 15, 2024. Initially scheduled for completion on August 22, 2024, the revised completion date is November 20, 2024. The project is coordinated with Milrichin Construction Corporation that has a contract value of 9,095,606.89 pesos and is currently 97.44% complete. The contractor has addressed all the issued punch lists and successfully conducted testing and commissioning of electrical and plumbing systems. The project is now ready for turnover and acceptance, pending the submission of required documents, including the building permit, as-built plan, materials test results, and punch list closeout report. The project has Phase 2 scope of works to include the following: painting works for interior and exterior, operable wall partition, tile works at toilet area including toilet for persons with disability, 2 pieces of aluminum frame glass door, roof fascia and flashing at gutter area, plumbing fixtures and stainless steel grab bar at PWD toilet, PWD ramp and plant box, and downspout and patch basin. In Tagbina campus, next on the list is the construction of 3-story computer laboratory building Phase 1. The construction started on April 19, 2023 with an initial completion date of November 22, 2023, later revised to January 6, 2024. With a contract value of 9,590,265.52 pesos, the project is in partnership with Grand Stellar Builders, and it has reached 60.95% of the accomplishment with ongoing rebar installation at the columns of the 3rd floor level. To complete the structural work, the contractor delivered the needed steel reinforcement bars at the job site. Concrete pouring activity will be implemented once the rebar installations on the 3rd floor columns are completely and properly installed based on the approved plan or design and were inspected by the inspectorate team. The project involves the construction of a 3-story computer laboratory building at NEMSU Tagbina campus to enhance digital learning and technological training. The facility will include modern computer labs, IT classrooms, faculty offices, and internet-equipped workstations. This initiative aims to provide students with advanced computing resources, support research and innovation, and strengthen the university's commitment to digital education. In Cantilan campus is the construction of multi-sport covered court, volleyball, basketball, and sepak takraw of NEMSU Cantilan campus. The construction began on December 17, 2024 and is scheduled for completion on July 24, 2025. The project has a contract value of 13,973,991.6 pesos with Magar Construction and Supply as the contractor and is currently 15% complete. However, the Municipal Engineer's Office of Cantilan has temporarily suspended the construction due to concerns regarding the submitted building permit plans requiring soil exploration test results and signed or sealed structural plans. NEMSU Cantilan campus is actively working on fulfilling the necessary documentation to resume the project. Additionally, the project involves the construction of a multi-sport covered court at NEMSU Cantilan campus designed to accommodate volleyball, basketball, and sepak takraw. The facility will feature a durable playing surface, proper lighting, seating areas, and weather protection to support year-round sports activities. This initiative aims to promote physical fitness, enhance athletic programs, and provide a dedicated space for student recreation and competitions. For externally funded projects, in TANDAG campus, first on the list is the completion of the University Library Building Phase 2. Implemented by the DPWH Regional Office 13, the second phase of the University Library Building began on December 6, 2024, with completion scheduled for June 3, 2025. The Ruiz Construction is a contractor for the project with a value of 14,145,238.6 pesos and is currently 12% complete. The project aims to provide a fully functional and modern learning hub for students and faculty. The development includes additional reading areas, research sections, digital resource centers, and improved facilities for a conducive study environment. This initiative aims to enhance academic resources, support research and learning, and promote a culture of knowledge and innovation within the university. The contractor already implemented the following works at the job site: ongoing ceiling installation at ground floor and overhang eaves, civil and structural works on the provision of person with disability toilet and powerhouse at rear side of the building, wiring installation for the provision of CCTV camera, fabrication of steel framings for the elevated flooring at audiovisual center, site or area preparation for the installation of air conditioning units and the elevator, checking the requirements as per actual site condition like electrical roughing ends prior to installation. Next is the construction of NEMSU Medical School Phase 1 with 6-story building and roof deck. This project involves the construction of the NEMSU Medical School at TANDAG campus to provide a state-of-the-art facility for medical education and training. The development includes classrooms, laboratories, lecture halls, simulation rooms, faculty offices, and other essential medical learning spaces. The project aims to produce highly skilled healthcare professionals, enhance medical research, and contribute to improving the healthcare services in the region. Implemented by the DPWH Surigao del Sur 1st District Engineering Office, the construction of the NEMSU Medical School commenced on June 28, 2024, with an expected completion date of June 22, 2025. The project, in partnership with ARQ Builders, has a contract value of 95,483,679.88 pesos and is currently 55.32% complete. However, the project was suspended on December 3, 2024 because the job site was flooded due to heavy rainfall, as reported by the implementing agency. In San Miguel campus is the construction of multi-purpose building. The project is being implemented by the DPWH Surigao del Sur 1st District Engineering Office and was initially contracted to begin on May 8, 2024 with an expected completion date of March 28, 2025. However, the revised completion date has been set for April 30, 2025. The original contract amount was 19,652,529.41 pesos, which has been adjusted to 19,799,814.58 pesos. Trident Engineering Services is undertaking the construction of the project, and as of the latest report from the implementing agency, it has achieved a 90.92% completion rate. Next is the construction of road network at NEMSU San Miguel campus. With a total road project length of 1.3769 kilometers, the DPWH Surigao del Sur 1st District Engineering Office implemented the project with Trident Engineering Services as the project contractor. Construction started on June 7, 2024, with the original completion date of October 4, 2024. The completion date was then revised on November 13, 2024, with a contract amount of 19,654,902.41 pesos, which was later revised to 19,799,531.66 pesos. The project has been completed 100% as reported by the implementing agency. This project involves the construction of a road network at NEMSU San Miguel campus to improve accessibility, mobility, and overall campus infrastructure. The development includes paved roads, proper drainage systems, pedestrian pathways, and signage to ensure safety and convenience for students, faculty, and visitors. This initiative aims to enhance campus connectivity, support future expansions, and provide a more efficient transportation system within the university. Next on the list is the construction of a water system at NEMSU San Miguel campus. The DPWH Surigao del Sur 1st District Engineering Office implemented the project with PDMAR Construction as the contractor. Construction started on July 12, 2024, with the original completion date of November 8, 2024. The project originally amounted to 4,900,425.99 pesos, which was later revised to 4,949,651.28 pesos. For now, the construction is still ongoing. The project aims to establish a reliable portable system at NEMSU San Miguel campus to ensure safe and sufficient water supply for students, faculty, and staff. The development includes the installation of water sources, storage facilities, and distribution pipelines. This initiative seeks to improve campus sanitation, health, and overall well-being by providing clean and accessible drinking water. For projects for implementation funded by the GAA 2025. In Caguait campus, first on the list is the completion of University Gymnasium. This project extracted its expenses from GAA 2025 with an approved budget of 25 million. For the meantime, it is on bidding and procurement process. This project involves the completion of the University Gymnasium at NEMSU Caguait campus, which will provide a fully functional modern facility for sports, academic, and community events. The gymnasium will feature a spacious playing court, seating areas, lighting, ventilation, and other essential amenities to support student activities and institutional programs. The project aims to enhance campus infrastructure, promote student well-being, and foster a dynamic learning environment. In TANDAG campus, next on the list is the upgrading of the Audiovisual Center. With an approved budget of 15 million from GPAA 2025 and is also for bidding and procurement process, this project focuses on upgrading the Audiovisual Center at NEMSU TANDAG campus to enhance multimedia learning, presentations, and institutional events. The improvements include modernizing audiovisual equipment, upgrading its viewer seats, sound and lighting systems, and integrating advanced digital technology. The project aims to provide a state-of-the-art facility that supports interactive learning, research, and professional development for students and faculty. For externally funded for implementation project. The construction of pedestrian overpass near NEMSU TANDAG campus. This project is implemented by the DPWH Surigao del Sur 1st District Engineering Office and is under for update to the DPWH regarding the budget costs and updates.